Hello, my name is Ellie. I want to read a short story called The Tortoise and the Geese, written by Aesop. Once there was a tortoise who lived near a small pond. He was very wise, but also very talkative. Every day he would complain to his two friends, a pair of geese, about how boring his life was. "I wish I could fly like you," he said. "It must be so exciting to see the world from the sky." One day, the geese came up with an idea. "If you really want to travel," they said, "we can take you with us as we fly to another lake." "How?" asked the tortoise excitedly. "You must hold onto this stick with your mouth," said the geese. "We will each take one hand and our beaks, and fly while you hang in the middle. But there's one important rule," they added. "You must stay quiet the whole way. If you open your mouth, you'll fall." The tortoise agreed. He was so happy he could hardly wait. As they flew over a village, people below looked up and laughed. "Look at that silly tortoise," someone shouted. "What a strange way to fly." The tortoise became upset. He wanted to reply, to tell them it wasn't silly. He opened his mouth to speak. But as soon as he let go of the stick, he began to fall. Down, down, down he went, crashing to the ground below. Moral of the story: knowing when to stay quiet is just as important as knowing when to speak. Sometimes silence can keep us safe. Think before you talk. My reflection: what I learned from this story: reading The Tortoise and the Geese taught me an important life lesson. This story made me realize how powerful our words can be, and how sometimes it's better to stay quiet, especially when it keeps us safe or helps us grow. I understand now that patience and self control are just as important as speaking up. In the story, the tortoise was so excited to fly and see new places. But he didn't follow the advice of his friends. He let his emotions take over when people laugh at him, and because of that, he fell. I think that shows us how easily things can go wrong if we don't think before we act or speak. This also reminds me to listen to people who care about me. Sometimes they give advice, not to stop us, but to protect us. I also learned that silence isn't a weakness. It can be a strength when we use it wisely. I'm happy I read this story. It helped me practice English, and it gave me something to think about in real life. I hope others enjoy it too and maybe learn something from it, just like I did. Thank you for listening to The Tortoise and the Geese. I hope you like this story. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reading practice. See you next time.